We've also had the slim base pizza. Normally we get a slim base anywhere else. The bottom just goes. This is that. Okay, so here's my Hawaiian pizza. 30. Wow, look at this place. Wow, so there it is from across the street. Interesting. Not sure what it is, whether it's a night coffee. Selling fruit here. Oh, so many. Just non-stop, keep coming, keep coming. Good evening from the train here in Vietnam. So it's around about 7 p.m. and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is dinner at a place called the Pizza Company. Okay, so this is a restaurant where I'm going to be having dinner this evening, the Pizza Company. Just show you outside. There is one table for 4 people outside at the front here. And I'm going to take the camera inside and show you. I'm not going to walk through the actual door. Just do it when I'm inside the restaurant. Pizza Company. That's the actual inside of the Pizza Company restaurant. A few customers inside. Just take you around and show you there is an upstairs seating area as well from here. It's the counter area. Okay, so here's my Hawaiian pizza. 30 centimetres this, 339. Here's what pasta clams looks like. Okay, so for my drink I've just had a 7-Up. I think this is 29,000 Vietnam dongs served in the glass there, like so. Okay, let's give this pizza a go. So I've had the slim base pizza. Normally we get a slim base anywhere else. The bottom just goes. This is actually a firm base pizza. So you can taste all the ingredients on this. You can taste the ham, you can taste the tomato puree, you can taste the pineapple. There's some herbs and things going on in there as well. It's a good pizza. I've had this quite a few times before on my travels. It's a nice pizza. So you have got options of small, medium and large in the pizzas. I've gone for the large. 30 centimetres is the large. I think the medium is 22, I think. I can't remember on the small. Got different price levels. This is the biggest one, and there is many different pizza options available also. Okay, so I've just finished my Hawaiian pizza here at the Pizza Company. So the total bill for all the meals was 542,000 Vietnam dong. So I had the Hawaiian pizza, so ham and pineapple cheese pizza. Great tasting pizza, always is. I've eaten at many of the Pizza Company restaurants throughout Vietnam and Thailand and other areas where I visit also. It just always never fails to disappoint. That was a large pizza what I have. Total price for a large pizza. It's called a classic pizza. It comes in at 339 for large. You do have small, medium and large available. I opted for the large. And even that wasn't big enough for me. I'm actually still relatively hungry. My drink, the 7-Up can, that was 29,000. So great tasting food. And there is only one pizza company here in Nha Trang, but great tasting food. So now after I've finished my pizza, I'm going to take you out onto one of the main streets and give you a walk around and just show you how busy and vibrant this place is. Okay, so just after finishing my pizza, I've decided to come to the street that I'm actually staying on. That's my hotel there, the Sata Hotel. A seafood restaurant just next door to it there. Now we're going to head down the street here. So directly opposite the Sata Hotel you have Moon Milk. This is a convenience store, mini like supermarket. Holy Anna across the street there next to the Sata. We have La Solia here. on the Sophie. It's not actually too busy in that one. A few people, but not ultra busy. Massage and spa here. Little carts running down the street. Massage and spa full in there. Lots of people having a massage. Paradise Golf Luxury across the street. A little like coffee shop here, some tourists there as well. I don't need inspirational, I need coffee. You can see there's many tourists on the street. This street isn't as busy as the other two streets, the Beach Street and the other street that I've already featured in a video. You can see it's busy enough, lots of people around, some tourists. Lots of people here. This is fruit, selling fruit here. Fruit by the kilo, mango 20,000 a kilo. And we're going to head across here. We'll have bingsu there, some avocado ice cream. I've actually had that, I think it was yesterday. The side street here. Look how busy it is on the street. So many people. Town original souvenir shop, that one there. Tourists again here. Sushi Academy restaurant. They get excited now, the YouTubers in Bali, if they see 4 people on the street. Here you can see it's everywhere, many hotel and spa. Little shoe shop there. Wow, look at the customers in there. So many. Chocolatier, patisserie. Busy in there as well. Everybody's beeping and beeping. Art book across the street there. Nova Shine in Motion. The massage spa here. Wow, look at this place. How interesting is that? I'm going to take you across the street and have a look at that one. Wow, so there it is from across the street. Interesting. Not sure what it is, whether it's a nightclub or something. Very interesting place. And over here, many customers. Big sale, 200k on the t-shirts. Many customers inside there as well. So busy, that restaurant there. I think that's not popular, and we're going to head back on the other side of the street. A bit more busier on this side for some reason. Have a Greek restaurant here. Another chocolate house here. Not sure what that is, whether that's some kind of bar or something. Yeah, it's a cocktail bar or something there. Jewellery. Shabu barbecue across the street there. Seal Fashion. All sell handbags, all the copy handbags, t-shirts, caps, all sorts of stuff available in the shops here. Many. Just take you to the what's in, just so you can see. Lots and lots of stuff inside there. Handbags, bags, many. Look at this again. Non-stop with tourists on the street here. Sorry. 150k sale on the t-shirts there. Wow. Not sure what this big building is across the street there, but it looks empty. So interesting. Pharmacy, jewelry. Vietnam bags. Starbucks. Family spa here. Buffet barbecue. It's called Medusa here. So it has an upstairs seating as well. That nice girl at the front there. Spa. Side alley. Wow. Full inside of there as well. Lucky Spa across the street. The Summer Hotel. Another spa here. Getting loaded with customers. Look how many sandals on the floor there. Super busy. Restaurant here. There's the Summer Hotel. Coffee. Just look at the tourists. Just non-stop, keep coming. Wow. That shop's got more in the shop than there is on the Bali streets. Oh, this is a nice Greek restaurant I might try before I leave here. Mixed Greek restaurant. Some great packages in there. 79 mark. Coral 2 seafood restaurant. A Turkish restaurant here, Istanbul. Korean restaurant across the street there. Italian hotel here. Wow. I'm going to take you across and have a look at that. So it's two hotels, a Del Hotel, Calliot Hotel. Very impressive building. And just on the opposite side of the street, have a nice looking restaurant here as well. Ocean Okea or something like that. I'm going to head back on the other side. That's the entrance to the Galliot Hotel. T-shirts again, sale 150, Vietnam Dong 200 for those. The Life Work T-shirts. Another fruit shop here. think we'll end the video just at this street corner here. You can see it's very busy. You can see it's a these funky things here. Wow. Tour booking place there. So this street will lead you up back up towards the beach here. Lots of businesses all the way around. That's where we finish tonight's video.